How are you?
I'm okay.
Where's your mom?
Bad news. Seth's in the hospital.
In New York?
Yeah. It's pretty bad, too. Double pneumonia.
Oh.
He's in intensive care. Mama said that.
Oh, my
She got a
God.
call this morning. I told her that the trial was going to take maybe 2, 3, maybe even 4 weeks. I didn't want her to stay here. Now with Seth in a bad
No,
way like that.
absolutely not. I just hope he's okay.
Yeah, me too.
Well, darling, by the time your mom gets back, you can rush out to the farm and just show her that you're a free man, right, Tom?
That is what we're aiming for.
Well, anything else is absolutely unthinkable. The good judge is going to toss your case right out the window.
You don't have to be the cheerleader. That's my job.
Oh,
You know what, guys? We did get a break when the judge agreed to a non-jury trial.
yeah.
We don't have to listen to the DA give an impassioned plea on Molly's behalf, the innocent victim, in front of 12 angry citizens. And we don't have to watch a panel of jurors look at those photographs of Molly after she was beaten up.
You think the judge won't be swayed?
I think we have a good shot that Judge Jessup will be able to see through the theatrics and realize that Molly's lying. You know the charge, though. Felony murder carries 25 to life.